Many of you are asking how to fix etiolated succulents. So we need to determine first how we can say uh, a succulent is etiolated or not. Look at this, it's so compact. This is not etiolated. And this one, as you can see, the leaves are a little bit far away from each other. There's spaces inside, so this is a little bit etiolated. The farther the leaves apart, the more etiolated the plant is. So how do you fix it? When a succulent is receiving enough sunlight, it will be like this, compact. But if it's not receiving enough sunlight, it will be like this, etiolated. In order to fix this, you need to propagate a new one. So it means that if you cut this, propagate, and put under direct sunlight, it will grow a nice plant without etiolation. But this one, you can't do anything about this because it's already etiolated. But you can propagate new plants that's not etiolated. So I hope the question is answered, guys. Thank you.